6 minutes, Chloe. Mm-hmm. Enough time to cook your scallops, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just.
It's so easy to overcook a scallop. What you really don't want is a hard bullet. You want a lovely tender scallop, but you want caramelisation on the surface area. I mean, that's the most important thing for me.
How are they looking, Chloe?
Good. They're looking good.
I'm hoping there's some real spikes with the lime, the watercress, and the cucumber.
2 minutes, Chloe. Are you happy?
So far, yes. Done.
Lovely, lovely. Well done, well done.
Thank you. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you. I've made today pan-fried scallops with a lime mayonnaise, pickled and fresh cucumber and a watercress garnish.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
This is good.
I think she's cooked the scallops beautifully. They're lovely and caramelised on the outside and very tender in the middle. I just feel maybe she could have done a tiny bit better job of seasoning.
Similarly with the aioli, some lime zest would have given you a richer, limey flavour. I'm nitpicking here.
Yeah.
Totally nitpicking. This is beautiful food.
Scallops are really nicely cooked. They've got a little bit of bounce, got a lovely bit of colour. I love the fact she's put butter in there as well. I like her. A little bit of lime in the thick, creamy mayonnaise, and there's sharp, pickly bits in the cucumber. That is quality. You've got 5 minutes, Chloe.
I absolutely adore duck. Peanut sauce, it's fantastic. It's got shards of chili. Hey, I'm Indian. Give me chili any day.
It's just how she presents the duck.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
It's got to be elegant. It's got to, like, tempt me in and not be too overwhelming.
2 minutes, Chloe. Is the bok choy cooking?
Yeah, it's
duck's
nearly
rested?
ready. Rested as much as it's going to be, yeah.
So we're there, right?
Yeah.
Looks good. What's left to go?
Just the crisps.
I say. Really impressed, Chloe. Chloe, well done.
Sorry.
Yeah!
Very good.
Brilliant!
I've made pan-fried duck with a hoisin and peanut butter sauce, a parsnip puree, pan-fried pak choy and chilli, and sesame crisps. Thank you.
Thank you.
And she really knows how to plate up food to make it look good. It just invites you in, doesn't it? The duck's cooked pretty well. I mean, maybe I would prefer it slightly under. The bok choy is lovely and al dente, but I just feel she needs to just swim in her flavours a bit more.
I think there's some beautiful textures. I think it's the seasoning. I'm looking for more. I'm searching for that hit on, hitting my palate of kind of boom.
I think tiny bit of chili in the sauce itself would have actually lifted the whole sauce, and I think would have been fantastic.
My piece of duck that I'm eating is really lovely and tender. I really like that salty hoisin sauce with the peanuts and the sweetness of the parsnip. I really like it. No two ways about it. That girl can cook.